We have the issues of the call room that has not been implemented. We have the issues of the promotions that has not been implemented. We have the issues of employment, and these has remained unimplemented, and also the tools and equipment that doctors need to offer services to the public. This has remained a mirage to the doctors who work in the hospitals in the counties, both national and county governments. We also see an extreme shortage of doctors in the health facilities, to the point that some counties have only one consultant or one specialist in particular areas. This has made it difficult to offer services. This has made it almost impossible for the public to get services when they need it. But the country has specialized in training and dumping the doctors. We have over 9 universities that are continuously training doctors. At the same time, we have over 5,000 unemployed doctors. So this has made these doctors to be frustrated. They have bewilderment of frustrations that they cannot pay any bills. They are frustrated despite having used the taxpayer money to be trained for all that period. The government promised that there will be mediators between the county governments and healthcare workers to see the establishment of Health Service Commission within 100 days. We are demanding that the government need to take this into action so that we can see industrial harmony in the training and employment of the doctors.